beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So today is day 3 of Vlogmas, and I am going to give my kids my credit card. So I'm going to give them my credit card, and I'm going to allow them to go into the store and find 10 things to decorate their room, and we're going to see who has the best room. Now, who do you think is going to have the best room?
Me, no me.
Team Leah. Team Leah.
Team Jamal. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna see who's gonna have the best room. So let's go ahead and go to the store and let's go find these items. Okay, y'all, so here's the rules. Y'all have 5 minutes. Y'all only can get 10 things out of here to decorate y'all room, and we're gonna see who has the best room. Okay? Who's ready?
Me.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
All right, let's go. Okay, so go ahead and put everything on the counter. It looked like you got too many things. Hold on 1 second. 9. She got 10 things. 1, 2. Yeah, separate the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, this light up. And 10.
10. Does this light up? Hold on 1 second.
It do.
It does light up. Okay, y'all, so we back from the store. We're gonna let Leah go first. Let's see exactly what you have in your bag.
2 of these garlands.
Oh, I like those. Those are really silver. Those are really nice.
A Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree.
A buddy. We gonna call her Buddy Bonita. Ornaments was like a bird.
Let me see those. Those are really nice. Okay, you got 5 of those.
2 Christmas lights. 100 of them in the rainbow.
So 200 lights.
Yeah.
Oh, snow.
Yeah, for my room.
Okay, some snow. What else you got?
Ornaments to hang up a special way.
You found the way?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And a sign. Let us know. Okay, I like that.
Hot cocoa, fresh cut Christmas tree, build a snowman, and sleigh rides. Oh, and some more ornaments.
And some more ornaments. Okay, good. Okay, go ahead and put everything in the bag. So that's everything you have.
And these elves, I love those. But they're kind of
Well, I do like those elves.
But they're kind of creepy because they always watch you when they leave your house. And this, it looks really pretty. That's why I got it. And 2 ornaments. And this Christmas tree.
Christmas hat. Like you broke it. Dang, you just got it. Okay, it's a hat.
And I got Mr. Hobo. Because that's what they call him.
Mr. Ho-Ho. That's what they call him?
Mr. Hobo.
You got Santa Claus.
And we got this snowman. It's not snow here.
No, it's no snow in Florida.
And this special thing
Okay. What else you got?
This.
Oh, you got another elf. You like elves.
Yeah,
This is the boys' room. This is the girls' room. You think you're gonna win? Okay, now we seen y'all rooms. Y'all have 15 minutes, okay? Ready, set, go. Okay, so now we have the rooms done. Who y'all think got the best room?
Me.
So y'all think y'all rooms is the best?
Yes.
So this is what we gonna do. We gonna let YouTube decide. So we gonna go do the rooms and look at everybody's rooms, and then what did y'all find by y'all elf?
I eat chocolate.
Let me see the chocolate, princess. Come here, let me see. Come closer.
Whoa.
Yes. Okay, so after we look at the rooms, then we're gonna go ahead and open that up and get the number 1 out. Where's number 1 at?
Okay. Okay.
Gotta look for it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I found it.
Yeah, you found it. Number 1. So let's go look at the rooms and then we're gonna open that up, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here is the girls' room. Very creative. So who do y'all think did the best job? Let me see if I can back out some.
Oh, I think I'll do the
The boys think theirs the best and the girls think theirs the best. Turn on Princess Lights so we can see what it look like with Princess Lights. So, she already has her own lights on her side. It's just better. It's kind of like a night light to me for her. So that's what it looks like when that's on. Okay, but don't include that. Do not include the frozen lights. So this is the boys' room. This is how they decorated their room. Oh, I like this. See, I got green over here. Okay, I like this. I like it. I like it.
And I also have this.
What's that?
It's a light and it can change color.
Okay, where you gonna put that at?
I'm gonna put it right here.
Nope, but that's gonna fall. Let's put it somewhere else.
Let's put it right here.
Uh-oh. Get your chocolates up, Joshua. Yeah, put it up here.
And that's why I want.
Give you my cup. Before the frozen lights, I want to see. Let us know in the comments who has the best room. So who's ready to eat their chocolates?
Me.
Well, let me say this. I really do like Jalea's room better. So let's get the chocolates and eat it in here. So everybody go get their chocolates. Rip it too fast, Joshua. It's not a rush.
Got it.
Because you don't want to rip them all open. Stop. Ooh, perfect. You can save it or you can let me have one. All right, princess, let me help you open yours.
You can look then you got it only one.
Whoa. There you go, James.
Mama, I know. I know chocolate.